Let's set up your Renew LED face mask together. In this box, you will receive your LED mask, protective eye goggles, a charger, a head strap, and a soft bag for keeping your mask safe. Firstly, let's attach our protective eye goggles. These simply slot into the eye holes in your mask and are really easy to pop in and out. Next, let's attach the adjustable head strap. Start with the Lustre logo facing towards you. You are going to thread this through slot 2. When the mask is facing you, this is the slot on the right. Once you have threaded that through, you are going to loop the strap through the adjustable golden buckle. Take it underneath the first divider on the buckle, over the top of the strap, and then through the second. Thread through until both pieces of Velcro are through the buckle. Then thread the head strap through slot 1. This is the slot on your left. Once through, you can attach the strap by sticking the 2 pieces of Velcro together. When you're finished, it should look something like this, and your mask is ready to go and wear. To charge your mask, all you need to do is pop the charger into the top of the charging port of the mask. Plug the USB charger into a charging port, and when the mask is charging, the light will be flashing. Before using your mask, make sure that the skin is free of any makeup and that your skin is dry. Hold the on button for a few seconds to turn the mask on. After placing the mask on, press the button again to switch through your modes, and your mask is ready for you to enjoy.